Children, with the help of this ray diagram, or we can say cycle, I want to explain the production of wool. Beta, we have discussed already in live class how we will get wool. We will get wool from the sheep by the shearing. What is the meaning of shearing? Shearing means the removal of fleece. Fleece means hair from the sheep's body. Okay, beta, that is done by the using large razor or by machine. This process should be carried out without hurting the sheep. If they are removing hair of the sheep, so they will be careful. They will be careful that they will not hurt to the sheep. Okay. Shearing is normally done twice a year. How many times full a year? 2 times. 2 times in a year. Okay. Now, but some area it done by thrice a year also. Okay. Sometime, वैसे mainly it will done only by 2 times in a year. But in some places it is done by thrice also. After shearing or after removal of hair, the second process, that is scouring. That is scouring. What is the meaning of scouring? Scouring means the process of washing the hair with soap and water. Beta, we know very well the animals are roaming here and there. They are taking, eating, sitting something in dirt place also, in nice place also. So their hairs become untidy. So what we will do, we will take the hair and wash it first with the help of soap and water. It is done by manually or as well as machine. After shearing, after removing the hair, it washed. Now next process, that is grading. What is grading? Grading means separating the hairs based on the quality of fiber. Beta, that also I explained in the live class कि they separate the good quality wool at the side and the waste one, or that is not useful, they are keeping at the side. Ab beta, the ball of like that good hair, okay, that is known as burr. That is known as burr. That also I told you in the live class. The soft fluffy fiber, that is soft fluffy fiber. Okay, तो ये तो कहलाता है, that is known as burr. Okay, and those wool are not up to the mark. It's not useful. They are used for the carpet and rugs. Carpet you know very well, and rugs means they are the rough cloth. They are used for the mopping, the cleaning and mopping is like that. Okay, the third step is done, that is grading. So beta, first shearing done. Shearing means removal of hair. After one, washing is also done, that is scouring. The third one is grading. Now come to the fourth one, that is carding. What is carding? The washed and graded wool. Graded means separated good quality wool is become straightened. आपने देखा है ऐसे balls के form में होता है. Okay. When we will pass into the machine or by hand, it will become like straight. It will become like the straight or straightened. After that, next process is that spinning. Spinning means whatever the clean fibers are spun into a long thread, that is called yarn. Spinning means होता है machine के through, like that they are doing machine के through threads का बनना. Okay, the clean fiber are spun into a long thread, that is called yarn. That is done by machines. That is done by machine. The next process, that is dyeing. बेटा, dyeing से पता चल रहा है कि we have to add colors. We have to add colors. अब आपने देखा होगा sheep color is only in white in color, but if we are using sweater, shawl and anything, they may be different in colors. तो बेटा, dyeing means they provide the color to the fiber or to the fabric, that is in any color. Or dyeing is happen in any stage. Dyeing is done in any stage. At the last one, that is knitting. Knitting means bunna. whatever threads you got in the straightening, now they will become by the knitting means sweater bunna, they make like that and they make the full fabric. After this woolen we will get this type of fiber, knitting will be done and they make the fabric. Now students, next topic in your book, that is properties of wool fiber. Beta, the wool is versatile, durable and elastic. Wool is versatile, durable and elastic. What is the meaning of versatile? Versatile means they use for different uses. It's mean the wool is used for sweater, shawl, carpets, rugs. Okay, sometimes they are used for as a curtain also, like that, covering also, sheet blankets and like that. So the use of wool is a versatile. Versatile means we can use anywhere and everywhere. Second point, it is strong and absorb moisture. It is very strong and absorb moisture. Third one, it is wrinkle free. What is the meaning of wrinkle free? कोई सल नहीं आता उसके अंदर. Okay. The fourth one, light in weight. The fourth one, it is light in weight. Seventh one, the resistance to tear and wear. It will not tear means फटता नहीं है easily. Okay. High tensile strength, it can stretch as can as. आपने देखा होगा when you are going to wear sweater, before it's look like small, but when you are going to wear, it become flexible for you or it become easily wearable. Next one, insulator of heat. It's mean good conductor of bad conductor of heat. Whatever the heat in your body, it will not transfer outside. जो बाहर का है वो बाहर ही रहने देता है और जो अंदर का है वो अंदर ही रहने देता है. It leaves a brittle black bead when burnt. बेटा ये leaves यहाँ पर left का plural है. Okay. It leaves means when it will burn, it will become blackish. Brittle means easily, with the help like that, easily smoothly brittle black beads can use when the burnt. Now next content in your book, that is silk. It's a too great fiber, shining, luscious, it's look nice so much. Okay, mainly the silk is used in Kerala side. Okay, the most of the people are wearing in silk in Kerala only. The silk is also known as queen of fiber. Here is a one word question for you. Which one is known as queen of fiber? So you will say silk is the queen of fiber. It is natural protein fiber which is obtained from the cocoon of silkworm. Beta, when I took live class in the previous video, I forwarded this thing. Animal fiber is made up of protein और plant fiber is made up of cellulose. तो बेटा silk जो है that is animal, तो this fiber is made up of protein. This fiber is made up of protein. Okay, this fiber is made up of protein. Silkworm feed on mulberry leaves. बेटा, how we will get silk? Silk we will get from the silkworm. Silk we will get from the silkworm. ये insect होता है छोटा सा. They mostly feed on mulberry leaves. Mulberry means एक शहतूत करके एक fruit होता है. That leaves on that particular fruit leaves the silkworm going to eat. Okay. The silk is made up of keratin. Which protein is here? Keratin protein. That is the name of protein. It is the name of chemical. Keratin. Okay. Silk is lustrous. Lustrous means shiny, soft or strong, and hard wearing. Okay. It has a good shining effect as it reflects the light. When we wear in the night time, when the light fall, so it shine too much. What is the next term was here? That is sericulture. Sericulture, beta, it is a branch of science. It is a science that deal the rearing and cultivating breeding of silkworm. बेटा सिल्कवॉर्म का अपने पास रखना, अपनी रियर करना, उसका केयर करना, उससे सिल्क ऑब्टेन करने के लिए, दैट इज नोन एज सेरीकल्चर. Silk is obtained from the cocoon, that is Bombymax mori. Beta, one moth is here. ऐसा एक moth होता है. Moth means just look like the butterfly, but it is little bit different from the butterfly. It's look like that. Okay, so the name of silkworm, that is Bombyx mori. Better learn the name, this one. Okay, the name of the silkworm, that is Bombyx mori. Bombyx mori larva. Larva means when they lay the egg. Okay, it to feed on mulberry leaves. The female of the silk moth lay eggs. बेटा the female silk moth जो है, that they lay the eggs. Type of this diagram I want to explain. Here this is the mulberry leaves. The female moth lays so many eggs there on the mulberry leaves. This eggs slowly get convert into caterpillar. This caterpillar is known as larva. That caterpillar is known as larva. It become hatch. This eggs hatch and become into caterpillar, or we can say larva. This larva convert into pupa. Around this pupa, this thread like structure I made here, this pupa secretes saliva, that is made up of keratin. वो slowly it's covered the cocoon or pupa. When the pupa covered this thread, that it convert into cocoon. Okay, this cocoon is used for the silk processes. Silk processes means आगे silk बनाने के लिए use कर लिया जाता है. Otherwise this pupa get converted into adult. This is the life cycle of silkworm. But beta, we are going to discuss silk processes. Silk processes means मुझे silk मिलता कैसे है. So what is happening exactly here? This mulberry leaves, on the mulberry leaves, the female lay eggs. Okay, millions eggs laid there. Okay, this egg of the silkworm collected separately. Okay, and hatch in incubator. Beta, incubator, it is a type of machine. That provide heat. It's a type of machine that provide heat, and the eggs kept in incubator for 20 days. They become worm as a caterpillar. I told you in the ray diagram also here. After hatching, the silkworm placed a beta. When they convert into caterpillar, so they try to eat some leaves. So finely chopped mulberry leaves, put it there. So they slowly this larva eat this finely chopped leaves. बेटा ये artificially हो रहा है in mines or in factories or in industries. Okay. After hatching, silkworm placed over finely chopped mulberry leaves. During feeding, each larva shed its skin 4 times. बेटा जो इसके ऊपर का ये जो skin होता है ना, they may shed means गिर जाता है. That process is known as molting. This process is known as molting. Gradually silkworm develop silk gland. अब जैसे जैसे वो बड़ा होता जा रहा होता है, तो this silkworm develop the silk gland, same as salivary gland, whatever is present in your mouth. The salivary gland, saliva. Here the silk gland secrete silk. Okay, now worms are ready to spin their cocoon. बेटा अब जब ये silk gland बन गया, तो silk gland क्या करता है? The saliva is going to secrete and covered the pupa like that, and this pupa is converted into cocoon. Now cocoon process completely. They are collected for making silk thread. अब क्या किया जाता है? इन cocoons को collect कर लिया जाता है, collected completely, and put the cocoons in the boiling water. गर्म पानी में, एकदम hot water. What happened? You know very well. Inside the caterpillar is there, so the insect killed it. अंदर ही उसमें वो मर जाता है. Boiling releases the silk thread. अब आपका यहाँ तो adult बन गया था, but in that case this caterpillar ये तो died हो गया. Okay, died here. afterwards this rounded silkworm or silk thread is separated out. This process is known as reeling. This process is known as reeling, that we will get the pure silk thread.